Hey everybody, how's everybody doing this weekend? Hope you are doing great, guys. So yeah, last week we had some analysis where we took some Nasdaq sells. I hope you watched that previous video, man. It was a nice move that we caught there. So for this week's analysis, I usually start from the higher time frame. So currently we are on the weekly time frame. So the first thing that we want to do, if you remember, guys, Nasdaq is quite a bullish market. You can see that. Can see as far as I go. I mean, it's quite a bullish market. So we tend to buy this market more than we are selling this market. So we sort of approach this market, especially the bullish side of things. We are focused on swing trading to the upside with Nasdaq in most cases. So now we are currently in a downtrend. So personally, I don't like swing trading to the downside on Nasdaq. I usually take medium trades, not scalping positions. I usually take medium term, sometimes to longer term, but not like super swing trading like we usually do on the bullish market. So if we can check on the Fibonacci levels, we can see that we are currently retracing. We have broken the 38.2 level, so possibly could be heading down to the 50% Fibonacci level, or possibly even the 61.8. So if we can jump down to the daily time frame, what has caught my attention is this ascending channel that we had here. So with ascending channels, guys, usually when price breaks this ascending channel, we usually go and retest the low of the channel. So there could be a possibility that price is heading down to that level before we can go back up, right? So let's jump into the current downtrend and see what's happening. So zooming into the current price action, if we, excuse me for that, if we could draw a trend from the highest high to the lower high like that, we can see that we are also creating some sort of a channel, a bearish channel, something like that. So since we are in this potential downtrending channel, what you want to do is you always want to sell high and buy low. So this is not exactly a moment or time to be looking for selling positions because the price is already oversold. It's oversold on the daily time frame. You can see that. So pulling up the Fibonacci tool, we can see that should we have a retracement back to the upper level of the bearish trend or channel, you can see that it aligns perfectly with the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So that will be the best place to look for swing sells or medium term sells, guys. This right here is not a good place to be looking for sales. I'd rather be looking for buys there. As you can see, price is already way oversold. Let me actually put on a RSI for you guys so that you can see. You can see price is currently trading at 36 point. Okay, let me just maximize that for a second. We are currently trading at 36.7, as you can see here on the right. So that is very low. So remember, you always sell high and buy low in the market, guys. So if we can jump down to, okay, before I jump down to a smaller time frame, what I would personally would like to see, I would like to see price maybe tap into this supporting trend line and then start off bouncing up to the resisting trend line, and then sort of create a channel like that, or a bullish channel like that, before we can break and go back down. So that is what I would like to see in order for me to engage with the market. So we are not going to wait for the market to go all the way to the resisting trend line of the channel. We are going to accompany the price should it go bullish. So what I'm saying is that should we see a bullish move going back to the resisting trend line, we are gonna engage with it. Firstly, this is how we're gonna engage. We have that current downtrend. So firstly, we want to see the price, like I said, tap into that area there, the supporting trend line, and then break that area, possibly even break the highs there to break the structure, and then come back to these areas for a retest. Then on somewhere around these areas, we can look for buying positions like that. Price is possibly gonna create a channel for us to trade in like that. Then from these areas, we are gonna look for a short position to go back down to the supporting trend line. So our trade is gonna look something like that for the swing sells, medium sells, and then for buy, we are gonna enter the market somewhere there. Our stop is just gonna be below support, and then we are gonna target the resisting trend line like that. So that's how I'm willing to trade Nasdaq in the next week or two, guys. Basically, it's short-term bullish and then medium-term sell biased. So that's my bias for Nasdaq, guys. Should I see anything different in the next couple of weeks or days, I will sure to upload a video for you guys, so we can catch those peeps together, man. So yeah, good luck to everybody. I hope you what I was trying to explain to you now made sense, and you are gonna be able to benefit from the market as well. So cheers, guys, have a good one.